In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Teamviewer from your computer in an easy and straightforward manner. Whether you're looking to free up some space or simply have no further need for this software, I'll guide you through the removal process so that you can achieve this in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Start menu. If you're using a Windows operating system, you can typically find the Start menu button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it, and once it's open, head straight to the search bar. Type in Apps and Features. This should bring up the Apps and Features section for you, a part of the control panel where all the installed software on your computer is displayed. Once you've opened Apps and Features, you'll see a comprehensive list of all programs currently installed on your computer. It's organized alphabetically, making it relatively easy to navigate. Your next task here is to locate Teamviewer from this list. You can either scroll through manually, or for a quicker search, use the search field provided. Simply type in Teamviewer, and it should pop up right away. You've found Teamviewer? Great. The next step is to click on it. By selecting it, you'll notice that a few options appear. Among these options will be Uninstall. Go ahead and click on Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove Teamviewer from your system, so make sure to click Yes to proceed with the removal process. Here's a small tip. If you get a prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, this is totally normal. Just click Yes to continue. Once you confirm the uninstallation, Teamviewer's uninstaller will take over. You might have to follow a few on-screen instructions to complete the removal process, like choosing to remove associated components or confirming that you no longer want certain settings saved. Follow these instructions carefully until the process concludes. After Teamviewer is uninstalled, it might be a good idea to restart your computer. Although not always necessary, restarting helps to ensure that all components are fully removed and no remnants are left behind in your system, which can help in maintaining optimal performance. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed Teamviewer from your machine. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that you encountered no issues along the way. Deleting unused applications not only helps clear up space, but also keeps your computer running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.